Hello everyone and welcome. So if you're new to React and never worked on React on your computer, so you need to have Node.js and NPM installed on your computer. So if you don't have Node.js and NPM installed on your computer, so you need to just go to this website, which is nodejs.org, this and slash downloads. So from there you need to download the Windows installer if you're a Windows user, or accordingly if you are any other if you're using any other OS. So you need to download the installer and you need to just follow the instructions for the installation. Once the installation is complete, you have Node.js and on a computer. Next, you need to download a code editor. So I personally use VS Code, and I'll suggest you also to use VS Code because it's very development friendly, and you can download it from this website. And just download. It's a normal installation process after downloading. So like any other software in the world, just download it and install the .exe file. Okay, that's it for this environment. And next about this project, so we'll be using API from OpenWeather API. So you need to visit this website, which is openweathermap.org, and you need to sign in if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, you need to create an account by clicking on sign up. So once you have an account, just sign in and open this website and sign in. And after opening the website, just go to this drop down right here and you go to my API keys. So from here you need to generate an API key. You can see I already have some of them, but you are not using, but you're not going to use them. You are going to create your own. Don't use this one because I may delete this. So to create an API key, you need to just provide a name, whatever name. It doesn't affect the performance or the operation of the API. You need to just create any name. For example, I'll create using the name of test. So then you have to click on this generate button right here. I click on it. Then within few couple of seconds, you will be getting your API key. For example, this test we created and we got the API key. So what you need to do is just copy and paste this API key right here. You need to just copy it and save it somewhere so that you can use it later. And we'll be making a huge use of this API key in the next videos. So just copy it and paste it somewhere. You need to use it. Okay, and next, after doing this, you need to just go to this homepage of the website, because now you need to see like which API we are going to use. So you need to go to API, and we are going to use the first one here. There are so many of them, but we are going to use this first one here. And you need to just click on this API doc. This is the current weather data, which will show us the current weather data. So this is the documentation of the API, and it is very descriptive and very long, because it provides you the data in any format you want, like in any language or something like that. So it's a huge documentation, and many very much information is provided here. So if you have any doubts and you want to modify the fetching of the data or something like that, you need to just come here on this website and you need to check and just call the data accordingly, like how you want. So we'll be using this first one here. So let me just copy it from this button, and you can see here this is the URL, and there is the city name. So here the city name will be passed, or you can type it manually, and this is our app ID or API ID. So here you will paste the API key, and that's it. So let me just copy it and paste it in the browser. And let me just go back and copy my API key, and I'll show you how to use this. So just test one we'll use, and we'll paste it here. Remember, you don't need to paste it inside the curly braces. You need to delete the curly braces itself, and then you need to paste it. And here in the city name also, you don't need the curly braces at all. So you will just provide the name of the city, and just hit enter to check if your API key is working or not. So you can see this is invalid API key because we have just generated this. So it will take some time to get activated. So let me try with this one, and let's go and paste it. So don't panic if you don't get the data, because it takes a little time to get activated. You can see this one works, and we are getting all the data in the array of objects form. and now we need to destructure it and use it in our website. So there's no problem with it. We are getting all the data, and now we'll be using this data in our website to display the weather information of the city name which is provided in the search box. So this is the data we'll be passing into our application, and we will be fetching everything and arranging it. Like you can see, it's a very messed up. Like in the main we have temperature, and like it's a little messed up. So we need to get the required information from this data, and that's all. So see you in the next video.